Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see what is angle bisector and how to prove angle bisector theorem. In my previous video, we have seen midpoint theorem. So if you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. So first let's see what is angle bisector. For that, let's consider certain angle. Say let's have an angle x. Alright. Angle bisector is nothing but dividing this angle x into two equal angles. So this is A and this angle is also A. That means dividing an angle equally into two halves. So that is called as angle bisector. This is a bisector. Now let's see what is angle bisector theorem. So here it says we have to prove that the internal bisector of an angle of a triangle. So let's consider a triangle ABC. Alright. Internal bisector of an angle of a triangle. Let's consider an internal angle of A. So this is the internal angle, right? Bisector, that means dividing this angle A into two equal halves. So this is a bisector AD. Let's take this point as D. So AD is a bisector of angle A, right? So this AD divides the opposite side internally in the ratio, that is BD by DC is equal to the ratio of the sides containing the angle. So sides that containing this angle is AB and AC. So we have to prove BD by DC is equal to AB by AC, right? So I repeat, here it says internal bisector of an angle of a triangle. So internal bisector is nothing but AD is an internal bisector of angle A which divides the opposite side BC in the ratio equal to the sides containing the angle. Here the sides containing the angle are AB and AC. So we have to prove BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. I hope this is clear, right? Now let's write what is given. So given here is a triangle ABC in which AD is a bisector of angle A. So meets BC at D. So meets BC in D, right? So to prove, what we have to prove? BD by DC is equal to AB by AC, right? So in order to prove this, first let's draw a line from C parallel to AD. So let's draw a line parallel to AD and produce this line BA to meet this line. Alright, let's take this point as E. So what did we do? Construction. We drew a line from C parallel to AD. So draw CE parallel to AD, right? And we produced line BA to meet at E. Right? So now let's see the proof. First let's take this angle as 1, this angle as 2, and this angle as 3, and this angle as 4. Alright? So let's write that. Let angle BAD is equal to 1, okay? And we have angle DAC is equal to 2, and we have ACE. So angle ACE is equal to 3 and we have angle CEA is equal to 4. Alright, let's continue the proof, but before that, pause the video and note this down. So let's continue. Since we have drawn CE parallel to DA, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Agreed? It's an alternate angles, right? Since CE is parallel to AD, we have angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Since alternate angles. And if you see the angle 1 is equal to angle 4. That is the corresponding angles, right? So we have angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Since corresponding angles. And we already know angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is AD is a bisector of angle A. So therefore angle 1 has to be equal to angle 2. Since AD is the bisector of angle A, right? So therefore we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right? Here they said angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3, therefore this is also equal to angle 3, right? And here it says angle 1 is equal to angle 4. That means this is equal to angle 4. Right? So therefore we have angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So this angle is equal to this angle. Right? So if these two angles are equal, that means their opposite sides are also equal. Right? So AE is equal to AC. Since sides opposite to the equal angle angles are equal. That is sides opposite to the equal angles. Here the equal angles are 3 and 4. So their opposite sides are AC and AE, right? Therefore AC is equal to AE. So now let's see the triangle BCE. So this triangle, in this triangle AD is parallel to CE, right? So in triangle BCA, we have AD is parallel to CE. So we know if they are parallel, their ratios must be equal, right? BD by DC is equal to AB by AE, right? So BD by DC is equal to AB by AE. Since we know from BPT, basic proportionality theorem, right? So now BD by DC is equal to AB by AE. AE is equal to AC, right? So we can replace this AE by AC. So we have proved BD by DC is equal to AB by AC, right? Hence the proof. Now let's see one simple example how to apply this in the problem. Alright. So now let's see this problem. In the given figure is given AD is the bisector of BAC. So AD is a bisector of BAC. Therefore these two angles are equal, right? If AB is equal to 10 centimeter, so AB is 10 centimeter, AC is 6 centimeter, AC is 6 centimeter, and we have BC. So BC is 12 centimeter. We have to find BD and DC, right? So first let's write what is given. So given here is AB is equal to 10 centimeter and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. We have BC is equal to 12 centimeter and we have to find BD and DC, right? Let's take BD is equal to x centimeter, alright. Let BD is equal to x centimeter. So what will be DC? So DC will be 12 minus x, right? Centimeter, right? So they have said AD is a bisector of angle A. So therefore by angle of bisector theorem we know bisector theorem, we know BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. So, BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. So, here BD is X by DC. DC is 12 minus X is equal to AB we know 10 by AC here is 6. So, let us cross multiply here. So, this implies 6x is equal to 10 into 12 minus x, right? So, let me simplify here. So, we have 6x is equal to 10 into 12 is 120 minus 10x, right? So, let us bring this x term together. So, this will be 6x plus 10x is equal to 120. So, here 10 plus 6 is 16x is equal to 120. So, therefore, your x is 120 by 16. So, this will give you 7.5 centimeter. So, your x is 7.5 centimeter. So, we have taken BD is equal to x. So, therefore, your BD is 7.5 centimeter. Now, we have to find DC. We know DC is equal to 12 minus x. So, therefore, 12 minus x is 7.5. So, 12 minus 7.5 will give you 4.5 centimeter. So, we got BD and DC. So, this is it in this video. I hope you understood today's topic. If you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.